Hey guys, welcome to MT Paradise, and thank you so much for clicking on this video for how to do the cabin air filter in a Lexus IS. So mine is a 2017 IS 200 Turbo, which from a lot of things I've read, it has the exact same cabin air filter as most of the other ones. It's going to be in the description below exactly what models this is for. Also in the title, it kind of shows that as well. But let's go ahead and get started. It's going to be a super quick, easy process. But before we get started with replacing the cabin air filter, down in the description down below, there's going to be links to Amazon. You can pick these up. They're maybe around 10 bucks for the cabin air filters. Definitely check out in the description below the links to pick up the cabin air filter. All right guys, so to replace the cabin air filter, what we're going to have to do is go into the passenger side to the glove box. Just going to go ahead and open it up. And once you have to kind of clear out everything, because in the back here is actually where you're going to need to access. So you're going to lift up on the left side of this little shelf. It's just going to pop up and out. And then you're actually going to just slide it kind of straight to the left. And then it pops right out. And you're just going to take that and set it aside. And in the back here, you're going to see that there's two little tabs on the bottom. So you're going to push in each tab and kind of pull out. And then this whole piece just kind of falls out of place. You can honestly just leave it right here. It's not really going to be in the way. And then back here, you're going to see a white piece, which is a tab on either side. So what we're going to go ahead and do is reach back and pull out one tab and the second tab. And then this is just going to slide right out of here. And just like that, the cabin air filter is out of the car. This one's actually really dirty, so I'm just going to go ahead and pop this out of here. And you can see these little tabs that stick out that can hold it in place. Just going to compact it. And then you can pull it out of here. And I'm just going to grab my new one and set it into place. You also want to keep in mind that it says the airflow right there says to go up. So the side that's facing kind of towards you, once you pull it straight out, is going to be the upside. So then on the new one, you're going to see where it says airflow. And then I got to flip mine over to this side. I'm going to stick that kind of under those little tabs. There we go. And I'm just going to go ahead and take this. We're just going to put it right back into place. Both tabs clicked. This is going to hook in from the top first. Right side snapped in. Left side snapped in. You're going to take your little shelf. It's just going to hook into the right side. And then you're going to push it in on the left. There's little holes. And it's just going to pop right down into place. And just like that, cabin air filter is replaced. All right guys, so if this video helped you, definitely go down and hit the like button down below. And also smash the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And I'm just trying to build up my channel. And it'll really help me out if you guys hit that subscribe button. But also, if I helped you, definitely put in the comments below. Just let me know if this video helped. And if you have any questions and other suggestions, definitely put those down in the comments down below. And I definitely try to read and reply to everybody. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.